Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix products getting disapproved in Google Merchant Center for your Shopify store. Product disapprovals can prevent your items from appearing on Google Shopping and free listings, which means fewer potential customers will discover your products. Fortunately, most disapprovals can be resolved with a few simple checks. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Merchant Center account and click on Products, then Diagnostics. This page shows all product issues detected by Google. Read the reason for each disapproval carefully, since Google explains exactly what needs to be fixed. Next, open your Shopify admin and go to Products. Select one of the affected products and review all of its information. Make sure the product title, description, price, availability, and images are accurate and match what customers actually see on your storefront. Any mismatch between Shopify and your landing page can lead to a product being disapproved. Another common issue is missing or incorrect product identifiers. If your products have a G10, UPC, EN, or MPN, enter them in the product details. Providing accurate product identifiers helps Google understand exactly what you're selling and improves your chances of approval. You should also use high-quality product images. Avoid images with promotional text, watermarks, logos, or excessive borders. Google prefers clean product photos with the product clearly visible against a simple background. Next, review your shipping and tax settings inside Google Merchant Center. These settings should match your Shopify checkout. Incorrect shipping costs or tax information can trigger warnings or product disapprovals. It's also important to check your store policies. Make sure your Shopify store has accessible pages for shipping policy, refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. Google reviews your website as well as your products, and missing policy pages can affect your account status. If your products are marked as unavailable or out of stock incorrectly, verify that your inventory levels in Shopify are accurate. Merchant Center regularly syncs your product data, so keeping your inventory updated helps prevent availability-related issues. After making your changes, return to Google Merchant Center and request a review if the option is available. Google will recheck the affected products, and if everything meets its requirements, the disapprovals will be removed. Keep in mind that the review process may take several hours or a few days. During this time, avoid making unnecessary changes to the same products unless you're fixing another reported issue. Finally, make it a habit to check the diagnostics page regularly. As you add new products or update existing ones, Google may identify new warnings. Fixing small issues early helps keep your product feed healthy and ensures your products remain eligible for Google Shopping. And that's it. That's how to fix Google Merchant Center product disapprovals on Shopify. By reviewing your diagnostics, correcting product information, adding accurate identifiers, optimizing your images, verifying your policies, and requesting a new review, you can get your products approved and back on Google Shopping. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.